Hi, my name is Ricardo Barcelos and I'm here to present mental models and organizational routines as driver of sustainable performance in university. The organizational capabilities are often discussed as influential factors for sustainable environmental performance, with a particular emphasis on absorptive capacity. Especially, specifically with the educational sector, universities have intensified their efforts to improve sustainable performance. This concern for sustainability among universities was already evident with the creation of the Green Metric ranking by Universitas Indonesia in 2010. Given the fundamental role of routines and mental model in a green absorptive capacity, this research aims to address the following question: what combination of employees, mental models, and organizational routines as driver of a green absorptive capacity enable Brazilian universities participating in the green metrics to achieve sustainable environmental performance? So, in this work, we have 6 hypotheses. We say 3 by the sustainable mental models with influence and recognition, simulation, and application, and on organizational routines, influence in recognition, assimilation, and application. This for sustainable environment performance. So in our methodology, the first step was made by a literature review. So we search for sustainable mental models, issues, and organizational routines that could make influence on the green absorptive capacity. These issues was analyzed by the analysis of necessary conditions. The analysis of contextual needs is essential to addressing problems such as the one proposed in this research, and necessary condition analysis is a robust method for this purpose. NCA identifies which factors or conditions are necessary in type and degree to achieve specific outcomes. This method is particularly suitable as it enables the identification of how mental models and organizational routines influence the sustainable performance of the university. We have 12 university that was made by our population. So our result proves and confirms all the hypotheses where we find 3 issues from mental models recognition for recognition, 4 statements mental models for assimilation, and 4 issues for applications. So in these 8 we have 11 mental models specific issues that could influence the green absorptive capacity. On organizational routines, we find 4 issues for recognition, 5 issues for assimilation, and 4 issues for application. So we can say that we have 13 routines that could make a great influence on green absorptive capacity that gives the high education institutions capability for a sustainable performance. Here we can find how the mental models and organizational routines make the higher education institution grows their performance, sustainable performance, along the way by applying these mental models and organizational routines. We could see that we have mental models present in all of degrees of this course, and we have the organization as a basic steps by until scores 5, 6, 7, 5 scores to achieve the sustainable performance. Thank you.